Hey there, DIY enthusiasts! Today, we're tackling a common repair task: replacing a flywheel. This is something that many of us have faced, and I'm here to guide you through the process. First things first, you need to locate the flywheel. It's usually found on the crankshaft, near the center of your engine. Once you've found it, use a socket wrench to loosen the bolts securing it in place. Be careful not to drop any parts or tools down the engine. Now, carefully remove the flywheel and inspect it for damage. If it's beyond repair, or if you're looking to upgrade your engine performance, consider replacing it with a new or rebuilt one. This can be done at your nearest auto shop or by a professional mechanic. When installing the new flywheel, follow these steps. 1. Ensure it's properly aligned and seated. 2. Tighten the bolt using your socket wrench. 3. Torque it to manufacturer specifications. Tighten up until it starts to move. Remember, please subscribe and likes if you like to